Hi, in this lecture we will learn about a dictionary. So I hope everyone know about a dictionary. So I'm talking about English word dictionary. So let's relate this dictionary with the programming. Now, what is there in the dictionary? We have a word and meaning, right? Now words cannot repeat. Usually all the words are unique and the meaning can be same. Same thing in the programming. In programming, dictionary is a key value pair where keys are unique and values can be duplicate. So in Python, dictionaries are used to store data value in key value pair. For example, to store the course with the ID, we can use dictionary. Here one is the ID of the Python programming. For Java, ID is 2 and 3 is for C. This is key value pair. And here you can see we use curly brackets. Second method to create a dictionary is with the help of this function dictionary dix. Second method to create a dictionary is with the help of a function. So we can use this function dicd. So here I'm storing the employees with the detail ID of the employee and the name of the employee. Again separated by a comma ID colon and name. This is a key and this is a value. Here you can see the separator is a colon and this is a key value pair and the key value pair is separated by a comma. So there are so many examples which you can think to usually we use dictionary to store the value which is a key value pair. In the next lecture we will implement a dictionary.